Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also the bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also found right underneath there is that thumbs up, and that's important for a YouTuber, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay? All right. I have been waiting so patiently for my IPSY glam bag that I put an add-on in for the entire month of February. I am happy that it has arrived today. It is a Saturday, and I decided I'm going to film both of these packages today so I can get them up over the weekend for you guys. All right, so this is the add-ons that I purchased. It was a special deal that they had going on, and they currently have it also in the flash sale going on as well. It was something they were doing special for the month of February for they're saying make it black. So I have everything here laid out. If you're not familiar, what I do is I take a picture for Instagram. I undo all the packaging and all that. So when I sit down here, I can lay everything out on the table and we can play. So I have my notes here about everything that should be in the bag. Everything that was in the bag should be there. This is really, really a special bag. This one also came with I share with you also when all these deals are going on, so we go through it then. This one had a special offer that they gave a free gift with $25, and the bag that I purchased was a $25 bag. There's so much good about this. I'm trying to put it in my mind of how I'm going to get it all across to you guys. So let me start with saying this was the free gift. This is the sponge from Makeup of the Day. It says dab and tap your makeup sponge. It says it's latex free, cruelty free, and vegan. That's what this looks like here, and that was the free gift. So this whole kit, like I said, was $25. The palette that was included in this kit for this month, I was shocked to then see this whole kit, remember, was $25. I saw this palette on Ulta for $22. Okay, so keep that in mind as we go through everything here. That's why I love IPSY so much. The deals that we get and the currency of the products are so amazing that this is why I wanted to make sure to share about this kit with you, because like I said, it's still available. So I want to try to rush and get this up for you guys today. So this whole thing was $25, and because it was an add-on, there were no additional fees or anything. It was $26.75 with tax, and I live in Florida. So they're saying this whole kit would have a value of $114. There's 8 pieces. They're all full size. It's palettes and sets. There's also a lippy in here as well. And it says, enjoy all the extras built into these essentials for your eyes, lips, and face. Morphe X Made It Black Artistry palette is a limited edition collab featuring 18 gorgeous shadows. We're talking about bold browns, shiny shimmers, and rich pigments that pop. It's benefiting the Pull Up for Change Impact Fund. And what they mean by that, first of all, this came in its own bag. And during this month, this is the month where I shared with you my Glam X. I wasn't getting a Glam Bag Plus because when you get the X, it is an upgrade from the Plus if you get both bags. So I get the Glam Bag, which we'll have another video showing that one because that's what this came in. And I'm going to do a separate video on that. So this bag, to me, when I spent the $25, it was, instead of me getting that Glam Bag Plus, this is what I chose for myself, and boy, am I happy I did. So it came in the type of bag that we normally get in the Glam Bag Plus with the little pulley here, but this one is black and white with the hearts. It is so beautiful. So that is not included within the count. Inside there is this card, and this is what it says. It says on the back here, it says, thank you for supporting Black entrepreneurs. It's called Make It Black. This was running across a lot of retail locations as well. And a lot of the brands are in here as well. It says, in honor of Black History Month, which is the month of February, IPSY is proud to stand with Make It Black, that's donating 100% of the net proceeds from our I Am bundles to the Pull Up Change Small Business Impact Fund. This fund provides startup grants to Black businesses in an effort to create more capital opportunities for Black founders. Pull Up Change Makes It Black is an initiative that works with some of our favorite brands to give their most loved products to Black makeovers, celebrating the beauty of Black today and now every day. So this was not only a fantastic deal with the most amazing products, which I'm going to share with you, also 100% was going in the effort, which I think is absolutely fantastic. And I love that they put a card in telling us all about it. All right, starting with, and you know I have my notes. So this one says, the Change is a California-based nonprofit fighting to achieve economic equity for the Black communities all over the world. Each purchase directly helps Pull Up for Change. So I gave you all the information on it. I wanted to make sure to tell you about it because this is still available in the flash sale that we went through together when it started. It's still going on right now. I checked and this is still available, plus another one that's for hair care, but this is the one that I chose for myself. So this one came with Mented, which is the first time I'm going to be trying something from this brand, so I'm excited about that. This is a lip gloss in Pink About Me. It is a hydrating gloss for lips that is shiny and smooth with just the right amount of that pink color. So this is the full retail box that it came in, and this is the gorgeous, gorgeous color inside. So let's open it up, check it out, and do a little swatch of this down here because we have a lot to swatch today. So that is the gorgeous, gorgeous color. I'm so excited to have the opportunity to learn more about this brand. The next brand is a brand that I tell you about all the time. And I got introduced to this brand through IPSY. And this is a brand that is made in the manufacturing facilities of IPSY, no different than Item Beauty, Trust Lucé, but it all started with Complex Culture. And I got introduced to this through IPSY, through their brushes. And I'm enjoying their brushes so much. I was so excited that there were going to be 4 brushes inside here. It comes in this full retail packaging as well. And this one says, this one is a 4-piece brush set with the paper envelope. It's designed to do the work of multiple brushes to save you time, effort, and room in your makeup bag. Plus, this is the first of its kind biodegradable handles featuring a velvety matte finish for extra grip and control. Everything about these brushes is absolutely gorgeous. They also have marked on here what they're for. So this is its Easy Crease Definer. And these little guys that are on the top here, these little plastic pieces, I always keep these so that after I finish washing the brushes, I put them back in here. They're also great to travel with so it doesn't get all dirty all over the purse. Can you see how beautiful these brushes are? They are stunning. And it's exactly what they said. It's soft to the touch. I didn't even know about the biodegradable, which is even better. It has a gorgeous long, long tip here with the barrel, and the bristles on this are always so soft and beautiful. Their brushes are fantastic. So excited that we have that. The next one that we have here is this one, and this one is called Precision, oh, I can't see this. Give me 1 second. Where are we here? Precision Eyelid. These are also the magnifiers from Improving Lifestyles, which is the business I have with my brother. We introduced these in the True Wants Needed bags. The volume 8 is so close to selling out. I want to make sure that if you're interested in it, those links will be down below, as well as the link for the magnifiers. This one here is the other brush. Is this not stunning? Oh, so, so beautiful. Then the next one that we have here, I shouldn't put this away yet. This one here is called the All Over Shadow, and that's this one here. Look at these brushes. They are so, so beautiful. And then the last one here is called the All Over Highlighter and Powder. So it's even a bigger brush. And that is what this one looks like here. Oh, that is Precision. Oh, is that gorgeous? So, so perfect. Oh, and so soft. I'm telling you, if you haven't tried the Complex Culture brushes, you're missing out. They are a treat. The next item here is from the brand called UOMA. And this is the brand that is called the UOMA Batter Boom Au Naturale Volumizing Mascara. It's made with a special brush and 85% natural ingredients. It has argan oil and castor seed oil to help make your lashes longer, thicker, fuller, and stronger. So this one has a little safety tab on it here. Let's see if I can grab this and peel it down a little. Yeah, okay. So that is, let me just take it off. That is what it says, level up here. This is a mini size. And this is, look at the size. So this brush here, like I tell you all the time, these mini sizes are the best way to try every mascara, simply because the brush that's inside these little guys is the same size brush that's in the full size, as well as the formula. So you really get to test to see if you're gonna like and wanna spend your money, or your choice when it's a plus item in your plus from IPSY. So this is what this looks like here. It has a little small hourglass. It's really got a unique shape to it too. It kind of twists around. So I have tried the other UOMA mascaras and I love them. So I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try another one from them. And then the star of the show. This is the one that I told you is $22 on Ulta's website right now. This is the Morphe X Make It Black Artistry palette. This is what the back of this looks like here. It comes in this gorgeous, gorgeous carton. And then inside here, the design on here is the exact same with those gorgeous, gorgeous colors. So that is what this is here. And this one says, pop these into your go to get your glam in a flash. They're saying everything in this stash is gonna be cruelty free, just so you know. And about Morphe, Morphe was born in 2008 among the artists and influencers in Los Angeles. Finally, a beauty brand that created for the creators. They say, dare to create, push those boundaries, make an impact, show the world your true, vivid, exploding colors. Mented believes every person should find and see themselves in the world of beauty, which is why all of their products include shade options that celebrate every skin tone. And then the complex culture, which were the brushes, is a collab between beauty pros and the community of women that aims to simplify your routine so you feel twice as confident in half the time. And then the final one that we shared was the one from UOMA, and they're saying about her, she is a Nigerian-born former beauty executive, and her name is Sharon Shooter. And the UOMA beauty range is rebellious, innovative, and created for all. Those are the brands that are inside here, but wait till you see I open up this guy. There is a full mirror on the inside. There's the sleeve inside here to keep everything intact. Everything came beautiful in the bag that was my IPSY Glam bag with, you know, that big pink envelope. Everything was packaged together. And like I said, I didn't pay any additional handling fees because it came as an add-on. And these are the colors that are in here. Are they not beyond stunning? So excited to have the opportunity to play with this. I will do a separate video in reference to this palette. I am like over the moon in reference to this. I'm so excited to be able to share this with you and that it is still available. So like I said, this palette alone is $22 at Ulta, and I paid $25 for the whole kit. So just to quickly recap, we have the full-size palette. We have this miniature version of their mascara, which is a new one for them called Level Up. We have the 4 gorgeous Complex Culture full-size brushes, and we have the lippy from Mented. Like I said, and don't forget the bag. And don't forget that it is going 100% of the profits to help this Make It Black foundation. So excited to have the opportunity to have it in time to be able to share it with you guys where it is still available in the flash sale, because I think this one is an absolute winner. And when I go through all of the flash sales and the add-ons and all that, I shared with you that I was going to be getting this. I just cannot believe that this bag of all the bags, everything arrived so early in the month for me, but this one in particular arrived almost on the last day of the month. But like I said, it's here, it's still February, we can still celebrate it, and that's what I'm here to do today, to share with you guys. All right, so as I like to end all my videos, things are getting better and better, but there's other things in this world that are not. So during this time, everybody please continue to stay safe. Everyone please stay well, and my prayers and blessings for what is going on around the world right now. Right now, this is a hard time to be able to share things that bring us joy when so many others are going through things that are just, I can't even wrap my mind around. So this is a happy place. This is where we share good things and fun things, but we have to also remember that there's a lot that's going on around the world that we have to send our prayers for. All right? Take care, everybody. Stay well, and I'll see you all again soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.